Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you set wallpaper in your Xiaomi phone. Guys, you want to set guys wallpaper in your Xiaomi phone, so as you can set. And guys, now let's see how to set wallpaper in our Xiaomi phone guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting guys without waste time to set wallpaper. So after on phone setting guys, scroll it and guys click on your wallpaper. So you want to set guys online wallpaper, so guys you will have to connect Wi-Fi and guys you have your mobile data, so guys on your mobile data. So I will guys I have some wallpaper, so I will click on guys this profile and guys I will click on wallpaper. So as you can see this guys wallpaper guys I have. So as I like this rider one, so I will take this one and apply option set as both, set as home screen, set as log screen. Guys, where you want to set guys? I want to set guys both of, so I will click on both of. Then guys come back and guys you can see wallpaper I set in your Xiaomi phone. Guys you can see home screen wallpaper and guys lock screen wallpaper. So tell me on comment guys, do you like this wallpaper or not? Okay, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye guys. Thanks for watching.